Hello friends, today we'll be unboxing the Moto G40 Fusion Android smartphone. This is a 4G smartphone that was recently launched by Motorola along with its cousin the Moto G60. This phone is a 4G phone and it comes with 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage. There is also a variant of which comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It has a 6.78 inch Full HD plus display, but this is a IPS LCD screen. This is not an AMOLED. It has a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel and a 2 megapixel depth camera. And it also has a 16 megapixel front facing camera. And the biggest highlight of this particular phone is its 120Hz refresh rate display, which is very rare in its price bracket and other comparable phones in this segment. It comes with a nearly stock Android experience and it has the Snapdragon 732G chipset, which is a very power efficient chipset and quite powerful in the mid range. And it has a very huge 6000 milliamp hour battery, which gives it almost 2 to 2.5 days of battery life on moderate usage. So this is a very long lasting phone in terms of battery, and it's quite huge as well. So the size of the screen is 6.78 inch, so it's pretty big in your hand. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the device. This is the box packing. On the side you can see the branding, Moto Qualcomm Snapdragon branding. This phone is a 4G phone. It comes with the MRP price quoted on this box is 19,999, but I have purchased it for a price of 14,900 from Flipkart. And on the back you can see its specifications: Snapdragon 732G, 6000 mAh battery, and the 6.78 inch Full HD plus 120Hz display. And you can see this triple camera setup at the back. And there are two color variants of this device. The device that I have is the frosted champagne variant. Let's get into the box. You have three seals on three sides. And one more on here. Okay. Right on the top you have the phone itself, and once again on the screen you can see the specifications mentioned here. And the phone has a fingerprint scanner at the back. This is the triple camera setup and a flash. And on the top you have a headphone jack and a noise cancellation microphone. This is one of the phones that has not given up on the headphone jack. And on the right you have the power volume rocker button and the quick action launch button and the Google button. On the bottom you have the main speaker, the USB type C port, charging cum data transfer port, and the primary microphone. On the left you have the Motorola branding, and you have a SIM tray. This is a hybrid SIM tray, and as you can see here, the cover is pre-applied. This is a TPU cover, clear case, which is pre-applied to the phone, and this is the color that I was talking about. So this color looks really good. And if you take out this cover, it will become a huge fingerprint magnet. So that's why I left the cover on. And let's see what else we get in the box. In here we get some documentation. Nothing else. Moto safety and readme. So you can see here on the right side you have the Google Assistant button. The power button is placed at the bottom, and you have the volume buttons in between. Since you access the power button more frequently, it makes sense to be at the bottom. You have the front camera and the proximity sensor and the primary micro earpiece on top. There's a front flash as well. So it's somewhere here. There's a front flashlight as well. So SIM and micro SD card, and you have the ultra wide macro camera, the main camera, and the depth camera. There's a flash as well here. Headphone jack, fingerprint sensor, microphone, USB-C port, and the primary speaker. Here is the hybrid setup of the SIM slot. It takes nano SIM and one micro SD card or 2 nano SIMs. You cannot have all 3 of them together. I don't find a SIM eject pin in this box. Let's see what else we get in the box. This is a USB A to USB C charging cum data transfer cable. Here we get a 20-watt fast charger from Motorola. Here you can see there's a USB type A port at the back, and you can see this 20, and here there is a 20-watt fast charger, and in here, yeah, the SIM eject pin is inside the box. There's a SIM eject pin. We don't get any earphones or headphones in the box. This is all what we have inside the main box of the Moto G40 Fusion. So the 120 Hertz screen refresh rate is the main highlight of this phone. You can set it to either fixed 120 Hertz or you can make it adaptive, so that it automatically sets the refresh rate 60 Hertz, 120 Hertz or somewhere in between those to conserve battery. And one of the best talking points of this phone is it comes with pure Android experience. There are no bloatware installed on this, few Moto related tools, apps, and there are no ads on this. So this is a very good phone if you want to get away from all those nagging notifications you see on other similar devices in this price bracket. So this comes with pure stock Android, and updates are also fairly regular, the security updates. So this is a very good device in the 4G range. Right now 5G has not yet started in India, but there is also the Moto G 5G, which is priced around 20k. But I think for now, for the next 2 to 3 years, this phone will be very relevant and very good to use, and it will not be outdated quite fast because of the Snapdragon processor that it's using and the specifications. So the 6GB RAM and the 128GB internal storage. So if you want some more expansion, you can use a micro SD card slot. So, and one more thing is you can use the headphone jack with any of the earphones that you already own, and it has a SAR value of 0.85 watt per kg for the head and 1.2 for the watt per kg for the body. So the weight of the phone is a bit high, that's what I feel. It's around 220-225 grams. Along with the cover, it's a bit more, so it takes some time to get used to, but if you have big hands, then you'll get used to it very fast. And the power button is very conveniently placed on the right side, so it's very easy to unlock this phone and the volume rocker, and you have the fingerprint scanner located conveniently at the back, so you can reach it very easily. Lock and unlock will be very fast. That's it for this short unboxing video of the Motorola G40 Fusion. Thank you.